Today, I'm going to give you a shortcut that you can use to stand out from the competition and all the other noise that distracts people online. I'm going to give you a formula that you can use that will help you to win over your perfect prospect and increase your sales and your conversions as a result. After this. Welcome back, guys. This is ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney, and I'm going to help you get better results online through your website and through your email list. So today I'm going to give you a shortcut that you can use to deliver a powerful message that grabs and holds the immediate attention of your perfect prospect. Now, this is a formula from John Carlton, copywriting genius John Carlton, and he claims that most marketers screw this stuff up. So we're going to use his formula to do it right, because you only have a couple of seconds to grab and hold the attention of your prospect. You know, there's so much noise on the internet and there's so much competition in every niche. Listen, every niche is saturated, okay? So there's so much noise out there. We need a shortcut that bypasses all that stuff and lets us stand out in our marketplace, so when our prospect reaches us, they know that they are absolutely in the right place at the right time. So I'm going to give you the shortcut, the formula that you need to grab and hold the immediate attention of your perfect prospect. But what is a perfect prospect? Okay, it's someone who desperately needs your offer. It's someone who is in front of you at that time when they need it. And it's someone who can afford to buy your offer. Now, the shortcut that I'm going to give you works in person. It works through print media. It works online. So through adverts, through emails, through videos, through blog posts. Okay, here's the shortcut. And listen, this works like crazy. Remember that the prospect, they don't know you. They don't know who you are. They don't trust you. And they don't want to be sold to. Okay, they just have a problem, some kind of trauma, and that could be a minor trauma or it could be something extreme. They just have a problem that they need to fix. You have the solution, you have the fix that they need. So it's your job to help them realize it without freaking them out, without making them feel like they're being sold to. So you really do have a couple of seconds to grab and hold the immediate attention and deliver enough information to your prospect to keep them engaged, to keep them interested. So what do? You have to give them enough information for them to realize who you are, what you do, and you have to position it in a way that grabs their attention and holds their interest. John Carlton says that most marketers can't explain that in 30 minutes, let alone in a couple of seconds. And that's because most marketers really don't have a clear idea about what they do, and they don't know how to best present that so other people can understand it easily. So here's the formula. This is going to help you to achieve that. The formula is: we help blank, do blank, even if blank. And you just fill in the blanks, right? So I'm going to go through this in a bit more detail to help you understand it properly. We help. This is going to be a group of people. Do, and that's the exact benefit of something. So it could be cheaper, it could be faster, it could be easier. Even if, and that's the worst case scenario, the worst case believable scenario. So does that make sense so far? I'll actually give you an example. Okay, so an example for me could be, I help marketers create high converting videos, even if being on camera terrifies them. So the first part is to identify a group of people who you help. The second part is to identify how you're going to help them, what the main benefit for them is. And then the third part is the worst case scenario. So you're removing the obstacles. And those three things will help you to communicate your message to your perfect prospects a lot easier, a lot clearer, and will ultimately result in more sales for you, because now you've got a system in place, you've got a checklist, don't you? And I've just laid out everything you need for you. So you can use this to separate yourself from all of the noise out there on the internet. I'm going to leave it there for today. I hope you found this useful. If you have, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell, and you will get another video just like this one from me tomorrow. And listen, what we talk about on Profit Copilot, all this stuff, if we do it right, it can have a dramatic impact on people's lives. You know, we're not messing around here. This is serious stuff. It actually does benefit people. So for that reason, share this stuff with people who need to know it. Let's get more people out there having more freedom and independence and abundance and security and all that good stuff that everybody, absolutely everybody, deserves to have. So pay it forward, share it with the people who need to know. They'll probably be very thankful to you as a result, and it helps me out in a massive way too. So thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you again tomorrow.